Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to check how many Gmail accounts on mobile number. So if you also want to check how many Gmail accounts on mobile number, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So there is no direct method to see how many Gmail accounts are registered on your phone number. But if you really want to check it, you can follow these steps. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Gmail application. Wait for it to load. You can see over here Gmail application has been opened. At top right corner you'll be able to see the profile icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see all the Gmail accounts that are logged in this device. All you have to do is tap on this option, add another account. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to find several options to set up email. You'll be able to find the option for Google, Outlook, Hotmail, Yahoo, etc. Simply tap on the Google option that you can see at first. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From this interface, you'll be able to add the Google account. But if you want to check how many Gmail accounts are registered on your mobile number, what you have to do is tap on the Forgot Email option that you can see right over here. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to find your email. Over here what you have to do is enter your phone number. Simply tap on this box. Now enter your phone number. After entering the phone number, all you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll have to enter the name. First of all, enter first name. Tap on this box and enter your name. After that, what you have to do is enter the last name. This is optional. Now after entering the name, all you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on your screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to select an account to sign in. You'll be able to see the accounts over here. Basically all the accounts displayed in this interface are the Gmail accounts on your phone number. So that is how you check Gmail accounts on mobile number. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.